Welcome to the step-by-step demo of the Amazon Basics top-loading washing machine. After plugging in the washing machine, open the door. Place your clothes inside the tub and close the door. Now, open the detergent tray to add detergent and fabric softener. Adding the fabric softener is optional. Now, select a wash program by pressing the program button. While selecting a program, if the light constantly flashes, it means that you have selected the programs marked on the right. If the light is stagnant, it means that you have selected the programs marked on the left. The machine comes with multiple features to suit different washing requirements. With the spin time feature, you can select spin time from 1 minute to 7 minutes as per the load of the fabric. The rinse feature allows you to set the number of rinse cycles to 1 time, 2 times or 3 times. You can also hold your rinse cycle with the rinse hold feature. You can even set the time period of the wash cycle to 6 minutes, 9 minutes, 12 minutes and 15 minutes as per the requirement. By using the delay time program, you can schedule the wash cycle at the time of your convenience. Simply enter the number of hours after which you want the wash cycle to start and the machine will take care of the rest. With the water level program, you can set your desired water level. While selecting a water level, if the light is stagnant, it means that you have selected the water levels marked on the left. If the light constantly flashes, it means that you have selected the water level marked on the right. The machine also comes with the Tub Clean program that automatically cleans the tub. Simply press the spin and program button at the same time to start the cleaning process. This top-loading washing machine has a child lock feature that freezes the machine's settings to prevent children playing with them. Simply press the wash and rinse button at the same time to achieve the child lock feature. That brings us to the end of this demo video. For more help and details, visit the product detail page or contact the customer care.